Here's my fourth technology that I'll be talking about today. This one I am not as crazy about, but it's something we have to use for ag teachers in South Central District. This is where we actually get all of our information for contests. We can look up scorecards, we can look up results, we can find information for upcoming events. This is in connection with Remind, which I talked about earlier, is this is where the actual data is all at. It's Moodle.org, and we're in the KS Ag Ed division of it. I am not as familiar with this one. Like I said, it's not my favorite. It's kind of harder to manage, but it's something we have to do, so I'm getting better with it. And the more I get comfortable with it, the easier it is to navigate and find information. So up here in the top right is our login. It's not as easy to see as some of the other ones that I've done. Logged in right quick here. So this is kind of the plain Jane site where it starts out with for our information. We'll go into my courses over here in South Central District KE. Down in here, it has results from the year. They can come in here and post results, give us how we done on certain things. Let's get rid of that, come back to it. We can come back here. Like I said, this is a little harder to navigate for me. Like I said, there's different districts, so we can pick ours. They give up front, they give us everything we should need for the year, everything we should need for events. They post the calendar for the year here. That way we're up to date with everything that's going on throughout the year. I won't worry about too much with this here. It's a little bit off topic to what I wanted to talk about with you guys. But all the information is here, and we can add to it. We can pull off anything that we might need for different conferences, different contests, events, leadership events, judging, stuff like that. This is where our handbooks, our checklist, anything like that might be. There'll be the latest news over here on the right where you can just pull up anything that anybody's talking about. So much knowledge, I guess, that I can't quite get all of it yet, but it's a learning experience for me, and I'm getting better at it. Like I said, it's great for relaying all the information that we need into one place instead of having to go and search it out somewhere else. So it's a pretty good thing in that regard.